Guys, hindi ko alam kung anong vlogmas na to. I think 20 or 21. Sinet up namin yung Christmas tree. Panoorin na lang sa Instagram ko. Pero i-insert ko rin yung clip dito na konti. Yay!
Guys, quick reminder, don't forget to pay your SSS. Bakit kasi walang Uniqlo sa Dubai? Oh my God. Sobrang ganda. Guys, so you can get all your basic tops at 390 pesos, which is really at a good price. And the quality is really good. So I bought all the colors. Kuha ka na. Saan ba? Ito ba? Oh? Oh? Eh, ikaw? Ayaw, try nyo din kasi ah. Bakit? I will use it.
This song is for all my bashers. Treated me kind, sweet destiny, carried me through desperation, to the one that was waiting for me. It took so long, still I believe. Beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, son of a
lang, magpapasko na. And share ko lang sa inyo, at napakita ko kahapon na pumunta kami ng Uniqlo. And walang Uniqlo sa Dubai, kaya natuwa naman ako. I got this shirts. Sobrang mura lang siya. I think the original price was around 590. And then nag-discount siya. So I got, I think, 6 shirts in different colors. Of course, basic white. Ayan, no? 590 siya. Tapos, syempre, sa Pilipinas tayong liliit ng size. So, usually I buy large sa mga shirt, pero dito XL ako. Ayan, so basic white. And then I got, of course, the black. And then black, of course, I got the gray. So, ito yung parang mga basic colors. Black, white, gray. And then I got the salmon pink. Cute din siya. And lastly, I got this stripe na parang midnight blue siya eh. Navy. Navy na stripe. Meron pang isang stripe doon, I think parang beige. Hindi ko yun kinuha. And then meron pang dark blue and dark green. Pero I'm thinking na baka kunin ko rin yun. Kasi sobrang ganda ng quality guys ng shirt. And pwede mo na siyang pang capsule wardrobe. So I think it's a good investment. Yun lang guys.